Today we will be solving the lead code question number 189, rotate array. So here we have been given one nums 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have been given a k value which is 3. So we have been given an array nums. Rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. So we have to rotate the last 3 k digits, that is 3 digits, and move it to the front. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to rotate in the first step, like we have to bring 7 forward, like then 6 forward, and then 5 forward, and we will get this desired array as the output. So we will be doing it in using the reverse method, like n is equals to nums dot size. So n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equals to 7. Now k is equals to k modulus n. For example, if k is larger than n, then the modulus will bring the value which will be smaller by n, so that we don't have to reverse the numbers again and again. If k is equals to 0, that we don't have to reverse the array, or we don't have to bring any number forward, then we just have to return. Now, if after doing this, we will be using the reverse method. So reverse. First we will reverse nums dot begin to nums dot end, that we will reverse the whole array. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is the first step. The second step, we will be reversing the nums dot begin to nums dot begin plus k. That is the first from the element which is at the first, and the element which is at nums dot begin means here to here. 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. This was the second step, and at the last step, we will be reversing the rest digits nums dot begin dot k to nums dot end. So we will get the final output 1, 2, 3, 4. As required, this is the final output we have done in the 3 steps. The first step was reversing the whole array. The first step was reversing the whole array. The second step was reversing the first k digits, and the third step was reversing the last, and we got the final output here.